is growing every day in science, technology and defense. India is growing every day, but many people are don't know our achievement in science, technology and defense.
And finally, we display the technological advancement like smart service education and